Hello and welcome to another unboxing video we have on our channel. So what we have today is this waterproof all-weather shoe from Vessi. So to start off, we'll just go into a little history about the brand Vessi. So that will provide us some more insight about the overall product history of how this shoe came to be. So what Vessi is, it's a Canadian company based in Vancouver, British Columbia. So Vancouver and British Columbia, it's based in the northwestern part of Canada. And something about Vancouver is that it is very rainy and wet there in Vancouver. So how wet? 57 inches of precipitation in a year, kind of wet. So how that compares to other major cities is that Los Angeles in California, they get only 15 inches of rain in a year. Toronto and New Delhi in India, other major cities, they get 32 inches of rain in a year. And somewhere closer, New York City, New York, they get 47 inches of rain in a year. So comparing that to Vancouver, Vancouver gets 57 inches of rain in a year. So a lot, comparatively more rainfall in a year compared to those other major cities. So 57 is a lot considering where Vancouver's location is in the map. Other more extreme cases are, example will be Manila, Philippines, which has 80 inches of rain in a year. But that's to be expected. The location of Manila, Philippines is in an island. They're surrounded by seas and ocean. So they would really expect to have a lot of rain. Okay, so that's it about the home city where Vessi is founded. So Vessi is founded in 2017 by a group of 3 Vancouver natives, 2 guys and a girl, who had enough of the Vancouver weather, like everyday rainy. So they went together, grouped up, and came up with this waterproof shoe. So something really stylish as well as functional to wear all year round without a care and without thinking twice about the rainy weather of Vancouver. Okay, let's go into the actual unboxing of the shoe now. So talking about the timelines, I ordered this directly from Vessi.ca's website, directly from the website. I ordered it 1 week back and I got it just earlier today. So 1 week of turnaround time from the time I placed an order online to the time I got it from my door. So not too long and just reasonable. And also this product is priced at $135. There's a special sale ongoing right now which is $25 off. So I got it only for $110. And this is what the shoe will look like, what it actually looks like. The shoe design I have is the Cityscape sneakers and the color is charcoal gray. This one is the Cityscape sneakers line. Other than this one, the other sneaker lines, the other shoe designs are the everyday sneakers, your everyday slip-ons, and also your weekend sneakers. Okay? This is what I decided to get, and this is the design unique to the Cityscape sneakers, this one. Okay. So this is a size 8 charcoal gray Cityscape sneakers. Let's go into the shoe details. So right out front, the covering, the outer surface layer of your shoe, it's protected by Vessi's own patented 100% Dymatex technology. So Dymatex technology is what makes the shoe waterproof and also comfy at the same time. It's rated to be comfortable all year round. It makes it so that your foot is warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's rated to be waterproof for the lifetime of the shoe. And later on, at the end of the video, we're gonna actually do a waterproof testing of the shoe. See how waterproof it really is. So that's it for the covering and the surface of the shoe. Looking inwards, the color of the shoe, the neck, it's garterized, so it's like a sock fit when you have your shoe inside. And the insoles, it's antibacterial, antimicrobial, and it also has a cloud support, something they call cloud support, designed to give you some cushioning to your foot inside. Okay, what it says inside, it says Cloud Comfort All Day with Dyma Text Technology. So that's it for the insoles. Your shoelaces, it's round. You have round laces with a plain and ordinary aglet at the end. Okay, so for your soles, the shoe soles, they have something called a herringbone traction to give some grip to your shoe. So as you can imagine, this is something you would really use for everyday, for your outdoor activities. So for rain, for light snow, and for walks off the beaten path, for trails and for trails and nature walks. Okay? So this is something that you could really use without care, without a care of your shoes, with your socks being wet, your foot being wet. This should take care of that one. Okay, so that's it for the shoe. Here's how it looks like again. So front, side, top, and sole. Okay, I'm just gonna try this on. Then we're gonna go straight to our actual water testing of the shoe. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. So, what I'm wearing right now is a Game of Thrones Ultra Boost shoe. So this one is from House Lannister, so you get your crimson red and your gold accents. Okay, this one is from Adidas. It's a Game of Thrones Ultra Boost shoe. Okay, let's try this on. The Vessi shoe. So how some people actually share how they're using the shoe is their foot straight into the shoe. Okay, but I'm not really comfortable with my shoe directly in contact with the soles of the shoe. So I still wear some socks, some invisible socks while wearing the shoe. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do it right now. Alright, Game of Thrones Ultra Boost shoe from House Lannister. Okay, what I really like about shoes like this one, where they have garterized neck collars, is it's like a sock fit. You can just put your shoe in, and if the laces are already tied, you can just put it and fit it there like a glove. Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like. Trying it on. Your Vessi Cityscape charcoal gray shoe, size 8. Okay, so thanks for staying with me for the first impressions and quick history and trying on the shoe. What we're gonna do now is put this into test and see how the waterproofing is. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Let's do the waterproofing test for the shoe. Welcome back to the waterproofing, water testing part of our video for the Vessi shoes. Okay, we're gonna test this shoe to the limit and see how it actually fares against water. Okay, we're gonna pour some water into this one and see if the insides of the shoe will still remain dry. So in front of me, we have the shoe itself, a sock to simulate someone wearing socks inside the shoe while putting this on and getting wet. So some C3PO Star Wars socks. So a water tray, a water catchment bucket. Some cotton balls, so dry cotton balls. We also have some paper towels here, some tissue paper, toilet paper, and your main subject, the water, and some snow turned to ice, fresh from outside. So this will just simulate testing the all-weatherness of the shoe. So putting it in against the elements like water, some ice, dry ice. Okay, I'm ready. I'm actually a little nervous to see. Like logic will dictate that pouring water into this one will make the insides wet. Okay, but let's see. Let's put the items inside. So I'm gonna put some socks inside. Let's also put some couple of cotton balls. Okay, all stuffed inside. Some tissue paper, putting it inside, and some paper towel. So this dry paper products will really simulate and test if water seeps through inside. So they're really good water absorbers. And if they remain dry, then we could really vouch for the effectiveness of the waterproofing of the Dymatex technology patented by Vessi. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm actually quite impressed. You see what happened there? So the water just bounced off from the shoe after hitting the surface. Let's feel it out. Let's see. Okay, it's not really wet, maybe more of moist. So you can really feel that water came into contact with the shoe surface, but it's not as wet as I thought it would be. Okay, we're not gonna reach in and check the insides yet. Let's try all the other surface. Okay, if the back surface will also be as waterproof as the front. Okay, still bounces after hitting the shoe surface. So something we all should really know also about this shoe. Yes, it's rated to be waterproof, but only with the disclaimer that it's waterproof until this level. Obviously, if you're gonna put your shoe, immerse your shoe into a lake, a river, where the water level is above ankle length, obviously water will just overflow and pour inside into the shoe. Okay, it will be waterproof. This will keep your foot dry, your foot and socks dry only up until this level, which is still fine to get you through a rainy day, to get you through a pathway filled with a lot of puddles or some light snow. Okay, so we've poured water onto the shoe, onto the front surface, onto the back. Let's actually reach in and check the paper products inside if it was still kept dry. Okay, I still kept this one for comparison. These are untouched virgin paper products for comparison. Okay, let's take it out. The paper towel, so still parched dry. It doesn't have any indication of getting wet. Okay, good sign so far. What else can we pull from our magic shoe? So your cotton balls, still dry? Still dry. Like my jokes. Okay, you also have your tissue paper. Still also dry, not wet, no traces of water, it's not damp, not moist, not anything. And let's pull out the Star Wars C3PO sock. Okay, still fresh and dry. Okay, so as we can see, we've tested it out, we poured water onto it, water just bounced off. It looks to be really effective. Okay, color me impressed. It's really something different seeing it up front. Okay, going in, I've seen all the ads, all the targeted videos showing this one being waterproof. Okay, but having here in front of me, testing it with you guys, it's really something to see it up close and tested for reals. Hashtag for reals. Okay, so that's it. I'm really happy that I'm able to share this with you guys. Testing the Vessi shoe. Okay, so from the unboxing, the history, the impressions, and the water testing of the shoe. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I appreciate that one. And you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. It should be in your lower right of your YouTube screen. Okay? Until next time, I have a lot of videos in plan. I'll see you guys again. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Goodbye and peace out.